So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm sharing a practice video. Yeah, I'm trying to implement what I just learned from YouTube, that is the grid system, and how to align your design using the grid system. And I also learned from that video the importance of paying attention to details. So like in this design, there's a place I use the Naira sign. Previously I just used hashtag, but I understood the importance of paying attention, and I designed that Naira sign from scratch, and I was glad I did that. So I hope this comes out better. So guys, tell me, what do you think? Do you think this came out good? I know it's still rusty, but I think it's better than the previous one I did. So share in the comment section, what do you think about this design? Well, I think I had so much fun designing this. I would want to continue with the others, probably prototype. So what do you think? Thank you for watching. Bye.